Welcome back to Echo English Moments. I'm Lily.
And I'm Tom. Hi, everyone.
In our A Day with Lily series, we explore real-life English for daily situations.
That's right. And today, we're going out to eat at a restaurant.
Eating out is one of the best ways to enjoy English in real life.
Yes, but I always worry about ordering. So many choices and polite words.
Don't worry, Tom. Today, we'll show you exactly how to do it step by step.
Great. Let's go get something delicious.
When you arrive, the host might ask, "Do you have a reservation?"
I can say, yes, a table for two under the name Tom Lee.
Perfect. Or if you didn't book, just say, "No, we don't. Do you have a table for two?"
I can say, we'd like to sit by the window, please.
Very polite. Always start with a smile. That helps a lot. Once seated, you'll receive a menu.
I can say, could I see the menu, please?
The waiter might say, "Of course. Here you go."
I can say, thank you. Everything looks great.
And if you need more time, you can say, "We need a few more minutes, please." When you're ready, you can ask about the food.
I can say, what's the special today?
Excellent. Or, could you tell me what's in this dish?
I can say, does this come with rice or bread?
Great. Simple, clear, and polite. Now it's time to order.
I can say, I'd like the grilled chicken with vegetables, please.
Perfect. And for drinks, you can say, "I'll have a glass of water and an iced tea."
I can say, she'll have the pasta, please.
That's right. Ordering for someone else is common and polite. If you're not sure what to choose, ask the waiter.
I can say, what do you recommend?
Nice. Or, "Is this dish spicy?"
I can say, which dessert is most popular?
Excellent. Friendly and natural questions. When your food arrives, always thank the waiter.
I can say, thank you. Everything looks delicious.
If you need something, say, "Excuse me, could I have some more water?"
I can say, excuse me, could we get some extra napkins, please?
Perfect. Polite and easy to remember. During or after eating, you can give a nice compliment.
I can say, this tastes amazing.
Or, "The food is really fresh and flavorful."
I can say, please thank the chef for us.
Excellent. Positive feedback always makes people smile. When you finish eating, it's time to ask for the check.
I can say, could we have the bill, please?
Right. In the US, it's common to say check, and in the UK, bill.
I can say, do you take credit cards?
Great. Always practical to ask before paying. In most restaurants, a 10 to 20% tip is expected.
I can say, can I pay by card and leave the tip in cash?
Excellent. Or, could you split the bill, please?
I can say, keep the change. Thank you.
Perfect. Polite and natural. As you leave, say something friendly.
I can say, the food was wonderful. Thank you.
Or, we'll definitely come again.
I can say, have a great evening.
That's great. Always end with a positive tone. Okay, let's review today's key sentences.
Great. Repeat after us.
I'd like a table for two, please.
I'd like a table for two, please.
Could I see the menu, please?
Could I see the menu, please?
What's the special today?
What's the special today?
I'd like the grilled chicken with vegetables.
I'd like the grilled chicken with vegetables.
I'll have an iced tea, please.
I'll have an iced tea, please.
What do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
Is this dish spicy?
Is this dish spicy?
Could I have some more water, please?
Could I have some more water, please?
The food is delicious.
The food is delicious.
Could we have the bill, please?
Could we have the bill, please?
Do you take credit cards?
Do you take credit cards?
Can I pay by card and leave the tip in cash?
Can I pay by card and leave the tip in cash?
Keep the change. Thank you.
Keep the change. Thank you.
We'll definitely come again.
We'll definitely come again.
Today, we learned how to order food politely in English.
Yes, from making a reservation to leaving a tip.
Remember, kindness and a smile are the best ingredients for communication.
And good food helps too.
True. This was A Day with Lily.
See you next time.